Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're first time subscriber, please don't forget to like, follow and share. Please subscribe. In this video I want to show you how to make Zobo, this easiest way to make your Zobo at home. I'll be using the Zobo leaf. You can get that in the market. I'll be using my pineapple. In case you have a used pineapple back, please don't throw it away. Use the pineapple peel for your Zobo. And this is my ginger. First, you can pound it or put it like that. I prefer to put it like that without pounding it. And with the bark also contains nutrients, so please, all of you that usually peel your ginger, I don't understand why, if you can still filter it, so allow it to boil for some time, like 10 minutes, to boil very well. Allow it to boil very well, and then after boiling, bring it down and let it to cool off. So this is when it was already cold. I left it to cool to get cold. Then after getting cold, you can now filter it out. After filtering it, you can put your honey or your sugar. For this I use sugar. You can put your flavor if you have, but if you have just sugar, you can still use it like that, as long as you have used your pineapple to boil it. Then you can refrigerate for it to get cold. Then you can enjoy it with whatever snacks or meal. Bye.